Shalum, victorious daughter of the King. Breathe deeply. Today, we walk in the victory Yahusha has already secured. We stand in His power, declaring total restoration over every area of our lives, Ruah, soul, and body. Speak each affirmation clearly from a place of triumphant emunah daily for 21 days to possess your inheritance. One, I am more than a conqueror through Yahusha who loves me and has given me the victory. 2. What the enemy has stolen, Yahuwah restores sevenfold. I receive my complete restoration now. 3. No weapon formed against me shall prosper, and every tongue that rises against me I shall condemn. 4. Yahuwah is restoring the years that the locust has eaten. My future is brighter than my past. 5. I walk in the authority of Yahuwah's name, trampling over every power of the enemy. 6. The battle belongs to Yahuwah, and I stand still and see His deliverance. 7. By the blood of the Lamb and the word of my testimony, I overcome every adversary. 8. I am the head and not the tail, empowered to lead and to reclaim all that was lost. 9. Today, I step into my restored purpose, walking in the good works Yahuwah prepared for me. 10. This is the day Yahuwah has made for my victory and restoration. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and advance in triumph. Overcome the enemy's attacks with your testimony of victory day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.